Up so high, even when I'm coming down. Just met a girl, say she from the H-Town.
Okay, y'all, it
I
is
say my name is
almost 10
Drizzy.
o'clock at night, and I got a whole lot of stuff to do. Today is Saturday, December 9th. What? And tomorrow is the big Christmas tour. Y'all, I'm already tired, but guess what? I'm excited though. So I got a whole lot of baking to do. I still got cleaning to do, and I have, what else I gotta do? A whole lot of stuff to do. But guess what? I'm gonna do it. And guess what? Y'all get to watch me do it. Well, at least put it together. So let's see where we at now. So the last thing y'all saw was me wash everything. So everything is washed and clean. I'm going to do another little wipe. And that's it. So I end up getting my peppermints. And then like little, I call these my little fruit dishes. How cute is that? I got these from Dollar Tree, y'all. Come on. Come on with the glam. Stop playing with me. And then this is for the dip. So this is going to be y'all before. Another before. And so I got already, that's not set up, but that's where that's going to be, I think. The chips still have not been done. I still have to, but look at my cute little cat pillow. Y'all saw me shop for this at Goodwill, I do believe. This don't belong there. I just got this today, but look how cute is this? For like a little cute gift. It's at Dollar Tree, by the way. But look at my cat pillow to go with my country themed kitchen. Okay, I'm not going to show y'all too much stuff, because I want to show y'all the after once the table's setting and the food and all that good stuff is together. But I needed to show y'all another before picture. Okay, y'all, let's get to cooking and whatever. I have literally no clue of where I'm gonna start, but I'm gonna start. Y'all, okay, I'm gonna start with the easiest thing, which are the bacon break cookies. And then I'm gonna put them in these cute treat bags. How cute is that? Y'all, it's just a little extra little things that you do that just bring it all together. Blueberry donuts time, y'all. I'm making up stuff. I don't know how this is gonna actually turn out. We're gonna pray to God it turned out good. And these are the blueberries. This is just from a can, and we're gonna roll with it, guys. dough wouldn't cook all the way. Shut the fuck.
Oh, that's pretty too.
Barbara. Hey, Bonnie Paris. I gotta sit you.
I couldn't tell by.
That's
Look
for
in your bag.
that's for the baby.
That's
I should have brought with her
Y'all know, bro.
take it out and look at it. Oh, we gotta sit down, shoot.
Y'all chill. Relax. Make yourself feel at home.
That's the different
Oh, that's
colors
pretty.
you
That
get.
is pretty.
That's real cute.
Where you find that out? I don't remember the painting up that up.
What the thing about yesterday?
What?
The green.
Girl,
Oh,
look.
it's right there.
I see. It went perfect, too.
Oh, this little
look
cross
around now.
is so cute.
Thank you.
Where'd you get this? It's like play.
Goodwill.
Huh?
I
Goodwill.
want to go there when we leave here. Don't you say it's open today?
Uh-huh.
Ooh.
You go to the left.
Ooh.
It's the first one I get
Mm-mm.
to.
That's the nigga rig one.
Oh, Susan.
So which one?
Okay, this is my cousin Leslie, and she's gonna show you what's in her bag.
Item number 1. Woo. Hand sanitizer.
What? You got the hookup.
Got some hand cream.
What's it?
Wild peony.
it's really wild pony because she.
You get some little soap sheets when you're on the go. And you don't have a restroom to go to. Have little sheets of soap. Get into it, people.
That's what I'm saying. Gotta be safe, healthy, and clean.
So what is it now?
At least clean, people. Y'all don't be clean, my
It
dudes.
shouldn't be nothing.
My
There's another little
favorite.
item.
That's why I was telling y'all about that movie. I looked
Oh,
at
it's so
yesterday when it
cute.
came home. She looked hard.
Ooh, look at there. You got a mirror,
She done got so old.
comb, get your edges right.
Get them edges. If y'all got
Little
them.
swoop,
That baby hair.
Let me see what Jeanette tried to steal of me.
Oh, Bobby trying to watch me.
Oh, she good. I like all extras.
I didn't hear it. I didn't hear it. She's doing a little video.
No, she good. Oh, that's my favorite, really.
Doing a little video. I know. And she
get them lips.
and you screaming. Oh, I'm sorry.
How that feel, though? I never tried mine. Did I get one? Yeah, I got
It's
one.
like,
I like it.
Should we make these from scratch?
Well, I mean, just a crescent roll in the meat. You do? Oh, you eating a cinnamon roll? Oh, nah, that make that from
and
scratch.
just to top it off, little mint.
Gotta get that breath tight and right. Yeah, and show your bag, show your bag. I didn't do the bag. I made those tags, guys. Don't play with me.
Don't be trying to look me up.
I survived, y'all. The party is over. I did not even come on here and talk about the party. Yeah, I was so thrilled. Stuff was going not like it was supposed to go. But the food, I guess, was successful. They ate it. Praise be to God. I like the way my table setting and everything came out. All was good. Got a whole lot of punch left, per usual. I'm gonna start buying them some bottles so they can take that stuff to the house. How about that? And I think it was successful. They really liked it. They liked the little gifts. So hopefully, some good lighting. Hold up, man. But I hope y'all enjoyed whatever y'all saw. I don't even know what I don't even know what I recorded. How about that? I'm out of it, y'all. I didn't go to sleep till like 4 in the morning. But it was all worth it. Now, they did like those little meat croissant pie thingamajiggies. I was scared. And they ate the fruit. So, I look at what they did eat, what they didn't eat. They didn't like them carrots. So, I just eat that during the week. So, it works out for me. So, anyway, guys. This is the end of the vlog. Clean up time. Clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up. Ooh, ooh. Please.